Hello everyone. Welcome to my video on the Orein T8 shop lamp bulb. First thing you want to do is take your old fixture and pull each end off. There are two with identical circuits in it, at least they were on mine. And internally you'll find once you get it disassembled, you will find a transformer and a large capacitor. Now what you'll need to do, of course, is remove that capacitor as well as that transformer and try to keep as much wire as you can. Now the reason I was rubbing that cord there is because I was trying to figure out whether it was the neutral or line part of the AC cord. If it's smooth, convention has it that it's neutral. If this has ridges on it, then it's the line side. So in this case, my smooth end was connected to the plug end, or the end that the cord came in. So I just wanted to keep that in mind, and the hot end goes down to the other end, which is line. Now on the side of the box there's an overview of what you need to do, and in this case we are going to have to go back to step 4 because we need the product manual, and the product manual is going to give us a wiring diagram. That wiring diagram is for my twin bulb fixture, and we'll see it in just a second. And here it is. So we want to cut out the old circuitry and we're going to wire it for the new circuitry, and there you see the line or hot and N for neutral. One end goes to the 2 pins on the N side, and the other end will go to the 2 pins on the L side. Okay, so that was the N side, and this is the L side, and Orein has printed those symbols on the bulb itself so you will not get confused. I like that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to check out which end that ridged line goes to. You want to confirm that it does wind up on the other end of the fixture, because remember, neutral was on the input side. You're going to clip out both ends. Leave yourself enough wire so that you can reconnect them when you're done here. Now you got to pull out the old circuitry right there, and you'll want to twist together the ends as I'm doing here. Make them nice and tight. Twist them together again, and in this case you're going to have to hook up that neutral wire that came in on the cord end. We are working on the cord end, and then of course we put a wire nut on there. The other end is done the same way, except using the L or the hot wire. Remember, that wire goes all the way to the other end, and here we're just tapping the case back together after we have made our connections. You'll have to do this on both ends. I'm not showing both due to time constraints. And so now we're going to install the bulb, and you'll notice that when I installed those newly wired ends, I also labeled them, and I know that the corded end, or where the cord enters, is neutral, and the other end is line. Remember, that's the hot side with the ridges on the line cord. Okay, so now we plug it in. Want to make sure that it works. Voila! Very nice bright light, 220 lumens worth of illumination. And this I thought was quite remarkable. It should last me 45 years or 50,000 hours. And here we go. Now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 more lamps to convert. Thank you for watching. Bye.